Hi viewers, today I would like to share my experience of cleaning and restoring my 2004 Acura MDX headlight. This video is more like sharing my own personal experience with viewers like you. This might not be a professional way to do it, but as a just regular guy who want to save some money and like to do it in simple way. So hopefully this help out some people. So you are watching the passenger side right now, and this is driver side. And for 2004 MDX, which has been 15 years old now, but the condition is not that bad. Somewhat haze, somewhat yellowish. It's not clear, but overall condition is not that bad. So the first step is use water and the soap to clean any dirt on the lens. But I didn't show you that the water and soap spraying on the lens, but since I have only one hand, but please go ahead and spray it and clean by using the terry towels. And second step is to use masking tape to cover any unwanted treating area. So as you see, I'm using the blue masking tape and covered around the lens. So I'm gonna use McGuire Plast X. This is not that expensive. I believe it's under $10. I think I got it like around $7. So go ahead and shake it well before you use it. And if you can read the directions on the back of the bottle. And as you see, I'm putting a little bit onto the lens directly, and I'm gonna use paper towel. You can use microfiber towel or terry towels, but in this case I'm using just a paper towel to save some money. So I'm doing it in circular motion and gently, and after you clean it, that like spreading around, and then after that I'm using the terry towels to clean the leftovers. So as you see on the treated area is the more clear than the untreated area, and as you see right away, it's really noticeable. So I'm gonna shake it again, and I'm gonna put it in the second time. So this is my second time doing it. So again, I'm using the clean paper towel, and I'm gonna rub lens in circular motion. So this is the result of the second time treating. And looks much better. Looks more clear when I compare to the other side, which is untreated yet. Yeah, as you see on both sides at the same time. Of course, the treated lens is much clearer than untreated lens. So these are do it and the same step, just same as the other lens. So these are the final the result. Looks really clear. Much better, much better. Okay, now I'm gonna use coating also from McGuire. Um, it says it's gonna last for a year, so I'm gonna do coating from just shake it well before you use it. Try to spread in equal amount, but it's not easy. But I'm trying my best. So you just continues like a constant one motion. So these are the result of the first time putting the coat, and but it's really clear. So I made it like I make it let it dry like 5 or 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna spray the second time of coating. Like 5 or 10 minutes of just drying. So so this is the second time finishing the second time coating, and look at this, it's so much clearer than before. Wow, I'm really surprised how it came out. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the like buttons. Thank you for watching.